Hey guys, my name is Andrew Robles. Welcome to the start of my YouTube channel. Behind me you see my 2013 WRX. I just picked it up because recently here in Houston we experienced Hurricane Harvey. My heart goes out to all of you that were affected by the flood. Yeah, my previous vehicle was affected, but this is my new vehicle. I'm no stranger to Subarus, and today we're going to be doing a little install for you guys. It is bone stock, but we're going to be installing a So, as I was saying before, I have purchased a catless Tomei downpipe. My catback, my Tomei catback titanium, will be in the mail tomorrow. So, and also today we will be installing a Cobb SF intake, and hopefully putting a base map on my Cobb access port that I recently just purchased too. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this up. In case you're wondering on what's going on here, I don't really know what's going on here either, but you know. Okay, does this actually look good?
We're recording each other.
Oh my god!
Okay. No, show them the goods. Come on. Shadow's in the way. One. Oh, they gave you one? Did you order one or they gave you?
They gave it to me.
Dude, dope!
Yeah. Screw that,
Clear Lake.
Clear Lake. Just kidding.
No, they were cool. Except for the financial guy, whatever his name is, Sam.
The bracket. And then the goodies. The good.
It's really just an air filter. Wait, what is that? Ooh!
Also, this needs to go in there. The sticker.
Wait, what are you? Where?
This?
Yeah.
This is the. In case you get pulled over.
Oh!
By the fuzz.
Illegal mods.
Yeah, that it's not. It's a legal mod.
We're all good.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Ooh! Oh yes! Oh god! You have to get a. Do you have a flathead? All right, so you got to remove all the bolts that are holding the air box stock air filter box down.
Yeah,
this one's kind of a. It's down like and.
Kid friendly.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This one is a big fat doo-doo face, but with much patience, it is doable.
We're making do with what we got.
Genesis. Why are you wearing a hat? Why are you wearing a hat? Are you scared of your haircut? Are you scared of your new head? Oh.
This is where the fun happens. So you gotta gently twist here, and here.
All right, now that we got this piece off, it should be fairly simple
whoa.
to remove the rest of the box.
Hold on. You gotta get the power. How? Tell me how.
And this is where the stock. Get your bowling ball out of here. I'm trying to show the viewers. This is where the stock intake was. You can see there's like so much room
for activities
and stuff. So now we're gonna install the new one or something. What does that do?
This makes the stuff go cold and fast.
Oh. Blue equals cold, which is why...
It's blue!
Boom. Scientific facts. Oh, why am I zoomed all the way in? Okay, there we go. Alright, and this is the new intake.
I'm ready to
Look at all this. Look at all this shit. Can you see all this? Can you see?
Well, we don't even need this sleeve. What is this?
I don't know.
Get out of here.
It's like they couldn't make the bolt the right size, so they put a sleeve around it.
Alright, so this is your bracket.
Yep.
That's going to hold your new intake. And you're going to put it back where this other one went. That sounds good.
Forever.
Forever and always. Till the end. Till you die. Slide it.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Whoa, that's all that sliding action.
Whoa, hold on. Hold on. Do that again? How'd you do that?
All that sliding action.
Holy boy, that's quality.
Alright, yeah. I hate it. Well, actually, no, it's okay.
You put the sticker. You dumbass. I hate it. Shut it down, boys. It's over. Alright, update now. You're going to want to try to take off the downpipe. We just got most of this done. There's 5 bolts on it, standard Subaru 5-bolt downpipe. Some of these are a little tricky, some of them are super easy. The worst one is on the far side here. What we had to do is we had to get a spanner on it, and then we had to get a breaker bar and just push it loose. So, yep. Now, take off the downpipe. Alright, and now you have your downpipe out, and you have a man under the car, dead, deceased. DED, you can see over there. And now you can just take it and... Perfect.
Throw it.
I didn't. Yes, I did. Alright, sinking sound again.
Hey, give us some beans.
Only do this under the supervision of a closed road course and trained professionals. That is definitely exactly what we are. So we didn't really get any good exhaust clips or the exhaust install because the video didn't really come out. So we're just trying to get some exhaust clips. Alright, bro, it's the